side of Smart Araneta Coliseum kung saan sinisilip ulit natin yung Jack and Jill astig move na pinakita ni birthday boy Bo Belga. Jack and Jill Iceman Candy ang may hatid niyan. Ilabas ang tapang.
Yung sinasabi natin kanina about Purefoods needing a shot blocker. And in that sequence, kita-kita natin, they could have used a Taha in that play just to bother the shot of Bo Belga.
We haven't seen much of Yusuf Ta in this fourth quarter.
Yeah. Yun ang kanilang rim protector.
As Melton drills in that first free throw. Sama niya sa seg sina Malyari, Pingris, Devans, and Yap. Katapat ngayon sina Belga, Aranya, Norwood, Tang, and Lee. 2 for 2 for Melton, cutting their deficit to 5. Wala na rin pong 5 minuto natitira sa ating Super Bowl Sunday live from the Smart Araneta.
And yung trap, ginagawa ng Purefoods, almost a steal.
Norwood over to Aranya. Norwood battling Yap for position. Gabe trying to use his muscle. He gets the basket. May kasama pang foul.
Yung aggressiveness ng rain or shine, in-attacking the basket. Halata natin dito as you take a look at this play by Gabe Norwood.
Honda swak shot yan, Dadin. Hatid sa atin ng Honda Wave 125 Alpha. Ang motor na swak sa gilas mo.
Kaya nilang 3-point play opportunities ang rain or shine because they're driving strong. So hindi sila nagsasettle for the outside shot, but 8-point lead.
Steal by Aranya. Melton giving chase. Melton!
What a block shot!
The chase down by JM02. He took off to take that away from Aranya. Paul Lee wanting to silence the crowd. Gives it over to Belga. Aranya babawi ng tres. Wide right. And now Melton is looking to take control. Malyari looking for Devans. Sakto, 4 na minuto ngayon ang natitira dito. Devans nice up and under. The floater is good. Rain or shine still up by 6.
Purefoods looking to ride the momentum of that sensational block shot galing kay Melton.
Lee against Malyari. Belga will offer the pick. Lee lost his dribble. Big Bo lines up a 3. No, look at Melton get up there for the rebound. Pagsampu na yan.
10 rebounds for Justin Melton.
Devans from the corner. 14 to shoot. Yap having trouble with Aranya. Ball goes over to Malyari. James Yap is shaken up on the right side. Malyari in the lane. Hinigot ng Ringo.
He's got 11 points now. Alex Malyari making a difference. He's the double-edged combination. Malyari siya kasi Melton. And this lead is down to 4. You watch that block shot galing kay Melton. Unbelievable leaping ability. Grabe!
And the Purefoods planet in attendance starting to rumble inside the big dome as they can come to within 1 possession, Ginito.
Mabago sa aggressiveness na pinapakita ng rain or shine. Ganun din ang pinapakita ni Alex Malyari in driving to the hole. Going for a 3-point play.
Melton, a basket away from a double-double as Malyari is looking to bring them to within 3. Alex delivers on the free throw. Both of them at that.
And here's a full court pressure coming from Purefoods. They're looking for trap, no?
Uyluan gets it across. Norwood is looking for lead. Shot clock of Rain and Shine down to 10. T.Y. Tang has to make things happen. T.Y. has to bounce. They go to Norwood. Spinning back to T.Y. from the baseline. The teardrop. No. T.Y. Tang. Put back is good. The shortest man on the floor made it happen para sa Rain or Shine.
Another offensive rebound galing sa Rain or Shine and T.Y. Tang. Now he's in double figures.
Pingris gets it out papunta kay Baroka. Mark Andy jumps it over. Melton attacking the lane. Hanging in the air, wala. Pingris rebound. Put back. Diluwa. Belga slaps it over to Norwood. Uyluan is ahead, but Lee did not see him. Paul on the move. Attacking Devance. Paul goes reverse. No good. Purefoods is looking to run. Malyari to Barroca. No! Last 2 minutes as Paul Lee is blocked. Hatid sa atin ng Outlast Battery. Start agad. Bang!
And Uloan hitting his third triple of the game.
How about T.Y. Tang and Jonathan Uyluan delivering in the crunch?
Well, guys stepping up. And you look at this block shot galing kay Mark Pingris and Uloan wide open for a three. Right place, right time, right timing, three-point basket.